Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to deploy apps in Jamf Now. Before we begin, be sure that your Jamf Now instance is integrated with Apple's volume purchasing program and that licenses have been purchased for the app being distributed, even if it's a free app. If you haven't configured this yet, or if you want a more detailed explanation of volume purchasing and app licenses, be sure to check out the Get Started with Jamf Now series linked in the resources. From the Jamf Now dashboard, click Apps. Here we have a list of all of the apps that I have purchased in Apple Business Manager. If you don't see an app that you recently purchased, click the ellipses in the top right and select Sync Volume Purchased Apps. For this example, I'm deploying Dropbox, which is currently available to be distributed to devices. With our app available, click Blueprints in the sidebar and select the blueprint the device is assigned to. For my example, I'm selecting my customer education blueprint. In the Apps section of the blueprint, click Add App. Let's find the app we want to install, which for my example is Dropbox, and select Install Automatically. Finally, click Save Changes to update the blueprint and deploy the app. Now, any device with this blueprint will receive the command to install Dropbox, and the user will not be prompted to log into the App Store or enter an Apple ID. Thanks for watching.